Guys, and welcome back to another video, and make sure to like and subscribe. So last night, guys, so let me tell you the whole story. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys, but like we got to Big Bear. We're in Big Bear, so just got here last night. So my dog go Raha, Raha. Hold on, let me look at him. Raha. Yes. So last night they were letting him go out on the deck. And so he's barking at nothing. And you already see that there can be some kind of monster, animal, you never know. See, look. Down there. He was barking out there. So, we don't know. But
something out there he was barking at.
Yeah. So we locked the screen door and we closed the curtains. Me and my mom were so scared. Like, I was scared because it's like, no, literally, it was 10 o'clock. Okay, it was 10 o'clock. I'm not lying. So then, at 11 o'clock, me and my mom were taking out my dog, Rolo Polo, because we thought he needed to go to the bathroom, because the whole night, he was yelping and crying. Like, it's either he wanted to go to the bathroom so bad, or he wanted to, get the, what's out there? Rojo, you can't go out here. I need to show them where he took you. Don't worry, there's a screen door. Rojo, you're gonna bonk your head. Okay, so we just took him out, like, there. Oh my gosh, you can't see. He's gonna run. So, we just took him out right there, like, just on this deck, and then we went back in. We locked it. Rojo, come on. Let's just leave that open. Let's shut it. I already have the screen door open. There we go. It's hard to close it. So, yeah. And I brought my ass with me. And first of all, I need to make, hey, whoa. Stanley, it's right there. Okay. We need, no, but Stanley threw his treat across the floor. Okay, anyways, because Raha was going to get it. All right, anyway, so we are going to teach Stanley how to get up the stairs, or it's going to be a tour of my cabin. Sorry if it's messy. Okay, and I'm going to tell you the reveal of his name. No, actually, no, because I'm waiting for the snow to tell his name. It's nothing related to a snow. Then we have Iris with the crazy hair. They're still sleeping. Don't judge me. I forgot to take off his bridle. So, yeah. All right. Okay. Let's go back over there. Okay. So, yeah. Y'all, we never know. I'm going to grab the phone and do another video if he does it again. Because there's coyotes, there's bears, Big Bear. Okay, that's a dad joke. Okay. Okay, never mind. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's not do dad jokes. There might have been a skinwalker there in woods. Coyotes. I don't think there's wolves. I don't know. There's no wolves where people live, so like coyotes, bunnies. Can't be that sweet. I can't think of anything else. It had to have been a monster, like I don't know. There's birds in a tree. Have you been staring? Wait, let's see if you can see it. Look, it's a bird. Try to keep my hand steady. Wait, what the? I thought I saw a bird. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.